We're going to take fittings. We got these KDEC fittings that we're going to fit inside these holes to attach the Arduino, okay, onto this right here. So we'll need one here, one here, and one here, okay? We're also going to put a fitting in here to hold the motor in place that runs the fan in this device. So you want to pick fittings that have interference, for example. Okay, so this is pretty much ready. I'm going to do this one first. If you come down here and you watch, I push this in here. It's hot, so I got to be careful. There's some interference. There it goes in. Twist it a little bit, and out I come, and it's done. Okay, I'm going to do just one of these now, and then move on to the next topic. Okay, same thing here. This one's going to come right in here. I push it in, make sure there's enough material there to push it in, and there, we're ready to go. You can stop it now. Holes in the top. I will drill those holes all the way through. It's very important that they're straight through. And then I will use this wood bit with my hand to hand carve out these holes on both cases. That's good. Okay, I've cut the holes. I did it slowly and carefully, and I'm going to take a little piece of emery cloth and smooth them out. And this will allow the air to get out of this and make the system more efficient. Okay, you can see that the holes, I've smoothed out the holes. They look pretty good. I put on the top cap with the sensor, and I wrap it with some electrical tape to hold it firmly in place so that it won't come loose. Okay, so now I attach this with some felt pads behind it and three small screws. I attach the Arduino board. Here, I'm just gonna use a tap to clean up any melted plastic that might have got in there, and then I will attach the motor inside of this. Okay, last but not least, the hole that was in this needs to be covered so that the air won't flow out. And I put a little dab of glue on this gear here, and then fit this over top so that it doesn't come loose when it's spinning. Solder 2 wires onto the motor right here, and I'm going to bend them over and slip them through this so that the ping pong ball actually levitates on top. Okay, you can see that I've put it on there, bent the wires up, and when I put the ping pong ball in there, the ping pong ball sits on top of the wire so it doesn't fall down inside and get trapped. Clipping in the tube, I have the wires, the connectors for the wires up here facing in this direction so they can come directly down and hook into the Arduino cover board. Last but not least, I'm going to take a small drill bit and I'm going to drill a tiny hole in the side of this and use some small screws to fasten this on. I used to glue the cone onto the housing, but now we fasten it so that it can be taken back apart if need be. Okay, with the two tiny little screws in there, you can see it's fastened together. I'm easily picking it up by the tube now. It can still be taken apart, but it is fastened together well enough that it'll hold together for the project.